The recipe requires specific ingredients, including oil, chopped onion, and chopped tomatoes.
Flavor is enhanced with ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. The vegetable mix includes cauliflower, florets, peas, diced carrot, and diced capsicum. Cubed potatoes are added to the mix to complete the vegetable components. All ingredients are arranged for easy access and visual confirmation of the recipe's components. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadaai wok. Add 1 medium chopped onion to the heated oil. Sauté the onions until they turn light brown. The light brown color indicates the onions are properly sautéed. Proper sautéing enhances the flavor profile of the onions. Ginger garlic paste is added to sautéed onions to enhance flavor. The paste is cooked until fragrant, releasing its aromatic compounds. Cooking the ginger garlic paste eliminates its raw taste and integrates its flavor with the onions. The heat activates the volatile oils in ginger and garlic, intensifying their aroma. Sautéing the onions before adding the paste creates a layered flavor profile. Proper cooking ensures the ginger garlic paste blends seamlessly with the other ingredients. The spice base begins with the addition of chopped tomatoes. Turmeric powder is added to the base, enhancing the color and flavor profile. Red chili powder contributes heat and depth to the spice blend. Coriander powder introduces an aromatic element to the spice mixture. The mixture is cooked until the spices are well combined and the tomatoes have softened. 1 cup of cauliflower florets is added to the kadaai. 1 cup of peas is added to the kadaai. 1 cup of diced carrots is added to the kadaai. 2 small cubed potatoes are added to the kadaai. All vegetables are now combined in the kadaai with the spice base. The vegetables are mixed thoroughly with the spice base. Covering the kadaai helps retain heat and moisture, essential for softening vegetables. Cooking on low heat ensures even cooking and prevents burning of the vegetables. The cooking time of 10-15 minutes allows vegetables to soften without losing their nutritional value. Softening of vegetables indicates the breakdown of cell walls, making them easier to digest. Checking for softness ensures vegetables are cooked to the desired consistency. Diced capsicum is added to the existing vegetables. 1 cup of diced capsicum is the specified quantity for addition. The vegetables, including capsicum, are cooked for an additional 5 minutes. The capsicum should remain crisp after cooking. Maintaining crispness ensures the capsicum retains its texture and flavor. Proper cooking time prevents the capsicum from becoming soggy. Fresh coriander leaves are used as a garnish to enhance the visual appeal of the mixed vegetable dish. Green chilies add a spicy flavor and vibrant color to the garnished vegetable dish. Garnishing with fresh herbs and chilies elevates the presentation of the dish. The combination of coriander and green chilies provides a balance of flavors and visual contrast. Proper garnishing techniques enhance the overall dining experience. Garnishing is a simple yet effective way to add visual interest and flavor to vegetable dishes. Hot mixed vegetable dish can be served with roti, a type of Indian bread. Alternatively, the hot mixed vegetable dish can be served with rice. Serving the dish hot enhances the flavors and aromas of the vegetables. Roti and rice provide complementary textures and flavors when paired with the vegetable dish. Sautéing onions involves cooking them in oil over moderate heat until they turn light brown. This process is crucial for developing a rich, caramelized flavor base in many dishes. The browning of onions is a result of the Maillard reaction, a chemical process between amino acids and reducing sugars. Proper sautéing technique ensures even cooking and prevents burning, maximizing flavor extraction. The spice mixture presents a diverse array of textures and colors. Individual spices contribute unique visual characteristics to the overall blend. The combination of spices creates a visually appealing and complex composition. Variations in spice particle size and shape enhance the mixture's textural complexity. Vegetables are mixed thoroughly with the spice base. The mixing process ensures an even coating of spices on all vegetables. Even spice distribution is crucial for consistent flavor in the dish. Thorough mixing enhances the aroma and taste profile of the vegetables. Proper coating allows the vegetables to absorb the flavors effectively during cooking. Steam is generated when water molecules gain enough kinetic energy to escape the liquid phase and become gaseous. The application of heat to vegetables in a karae causes the water within them to vaporize, producing steam. Steam cooking helps to retain the moisture and nutrients within the vegetables. The rising steam indicates the vegetables are being cooked through thermal energy transfer. The intensity of steam production is directly related to the amount of heat applied and the water content of the vegetables. Consistent steam production ensures even cooking and optimal texture of the vegetables. The cooked vegetables exhibit a soft texture, indicating they are ready for consumption. Visual cues such as slight wrinkling and a gentle give upon touch confirm the vegetable's tenderness. The internal structure of the vegetables has softened, allowing for easy mastication and digestion. The vegetable's color becomes more vibrant and uniform as they reach optimal softness through cooking. Fresh coriander is added as a garnish to enhance the dish's flavor profile. Green chilies contribute a spicy element and visual appeal to the garnish. The combination of fresh herbs and chilies provides a balance of flavors and textures. Garnishes elevate the presentation of the dish, making it more visually appealing. The freshness of the garnish is a key indicator of the quality of the ingredients. Adding fresh garnishes is the final step in preparing the dish for serving. The mixed vegetable dish is presented as a vibrant and nutritious meal option. Roti, or rice, complements the mixed vegetable dish, offering a balanced carbohydrate source. The final presentation showcases the dish ready to be served and enjoyed. The combination of vegetables, roti, or rice provides a balanced and complete meal. This dish represents a healthy and flavorful option suitable for various dietary preferences.